I'm Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with today's Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today I want to talk about television advertising. If you're advertising on television, one of the most important things you can do is check your invoices. And what you want to check for is the exact time that each commercial ran. And the reason is, vast majority of stations will place a lot of local advertisers' commercials in the breaks. And the breaks are the sections between two programs. Example, if you're targeting women and that program is on from 8 to 9, but the station has a program on from 9 to 10 that targets men, the break would be 8:59, 9, and 9:01. The problem is the audiences are in flux. A lot of women have left that program and a lot of men have come back, so you're not actually getting what you paid for. To learn more about Ramp, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 800-620-RAMP.